Okay, class, today's worksheet focuses on finding the derivative function. You have to do problems 1 through 6. We're going to do problems 1 and 2 together here in this video. I also encourage you, if you to look back, if you're confused still, to example 5, 10.1 video, where we also find derivative functions. Alright, so number 1 is f of x equals 4x minus 4. First step is to write down the definition. And then since we're finding the derivative function, there's no point to plug in, there's no number to plug in for x. So we immediately take the x plus h, and then, so the x plus h is what we're going to be plugging in for x. So you're going to have 4 times x plus h minus 4, and then minus, take x, plug it in for x, so you just got your function, and then we're dividing that by h, distribute the 4, so 4x plus 4h minus 4, minus, distribute the negative, 4x plus 4 all over h. Positive 4x, negative 4x cancel. Negative 4, positive 4 cancel. And then, so what we're left with is the limit as h approaches 0 of 4h over h. Now the h's cancel. So f prime of x is equal to 4. So the that's the derivative function. Okay, number 2, f of x equals 2x squared plus 5x minus 5. This one's going to entail a little bit more work. Alright, first step, write down your definition. And then the next step is to take x plus h, plug it in everywhere you see x. Alright, and then minus your f of x, which is 2x squared plus 5x minus 5 all over h. Alright, so we have x plus h squared. We're going to have to FOIL that. So x plus h times x plus h. That's going to give us x times x is x squared. And then an xh. X times h gives us xh. And then the inner parts, an h times x gives us, so you're going to have 2 xh's, and then the last h times h plus h squared. So 2 times x squared plus 2xh plus h squared plus 5x plus 25, distributing there. Wait, that should be an h. I don't know why I put a 5. That's an h. Alright, so that's going to be 5x plus 5h minus 5 minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 5. Jeez, oh man. So the limit as h approaches 0, now distribute the 2. 2x squared plus 4xh Alright, so what do we got here? We can a positive 2x squared and a negative 2x squared, that cancels. A positive 5x and a negative 5x. A negative 5 and a positive 5. Is that it? I believe so. So, we're going to have 2h squared plus 4xh plus 5h. So plus 5h all over h. We can factor out an h, so we're left with h times 2h plus 4x plus 5. These h's cancel, so 2h plus 4x plus 5. Now we can plug in 0. Alright, so f prime of x is going to equal, that's 0, 4x plus 5. Alright, so that's the derivative function. Again, why is this important? So if you find the derivative function, you can find the instantaneous velocity at any point of this function just by plugging in the point in which you want to find the instantaneous velocity for. So if this is my function, and I want to find the instantaneous velocity at t equals 8, you'd plug in 8 into this function. If you wanted to find the instantaneous velocity at 10 or 15, once you have this, you can just plug it in. So I hope this helps. Tomorrow probably do a little short assessment on finding the derivative at a point and finding the derivative of a function. So be on the lookout for that.